Officials now believe the first two coronavirus-related deaths in the nation happened in Santa Clara County. The first case is linked back to the beginning of February, which means the virus was far more widespread than previously thought. KPIX 5's Len Ramirez is at the county coroner's office in San Jose, where this new information first came out. Len?
That's right. This new information shows that back in late January and early February, when everyone was focused on limiting air travel from China and cruise ships, that the virus was already here in this community and spreading.
The information that I can share.
Dr. Sarah Cody revealed new details on what are now the first two fatal victims of the coronavirus in the United States. They are a 57-year-old woman who died on February 6th and a 69-year-old man who died on February 17th. Both died in their homes. A 70-year-old man who died on March 6th was also added to the new victim list.
None of these cases had a significant travel history. We presume that each of them represent community transmission and that there was some significant level of virus circulating in our community in early February.
That's about a month before California's previous first death from COVID-19 and about 3 weeks before the nation's first fatal case in Washington state on February 29th. It was also a time when testing was very limited.
None of this surprises me.
Dr. John Swartzberg of the University of California says so much was not known about the virus, which could have been spreading here as far back as December.
Remember that in December, we also were seeing a lot of influenza, and it's very difficult to differentiate coronavirus from influenza. So we wouldn't have recognized it even if it was here. And of course, most people, or at least a lot of people infected with this virus, are asymptomatic, and they would be walking around.
The new cases came to light after the Santa Clara County medical examiner ran routine postmortems on the victims with help from the Centers for Disease Control. The victims had flu-like symptoms but did not die of the flu.
These individuals tested negative for other viruses, but because there was continued suspicion by the medical examiner that these deaths were caused by COVID-19, the medical examiner sent autopsy tissue to the CDC for definitive testing. Yesterday, the medical examiner coroner received the confirmatory test results.
And Dr. Cody said that if she could have confirmed that COVID-19 was in this community in early February, she would have issued those stay-at-home health orders a lot sooner than she did, as it was those orders throughout the Bay Area did not take effect until March 17th. Reporting live in San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.